Hello everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's simple tutorial, we will learn how to create a user in Microsoft Intune and how to assign Intune license to Microsoft Intune user so that we can manage devices or users later on via Microsoft Intune. I will also guide you that you need to add that user to required Intune group, right? So that when we onboard a device, user and device will get synced to Microsoft Intune. To manage devices in Microsoft Intune, we first need to create a user with Microsoft Intune license to manage devices. We can create user in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. We can create user in Microsoft Intune, and also we can create user in Microsoft Azure portal.azure.com. Alright, these are three places we can create user, we can assign license, and we can add users to the group. As we are targeting here Intune specifically, so I will show you how to create users in Intune and how to assign Intune license and add to the required mobile device management group. We can also synchronize user from our on-premise Active Directory and sync them via Intra ID Connect sync tool. So let's see how to proceed in Intune Admin Center. For login into Intune, you can follow the URL intune.microsoft.com, and from home you can go to users. Right, in all users section, let's go to new users and create a new user here. So in our case, let's name the user. I want to name it user 1 because I am just showing you the display name. I can put the same name user 1, and in the password, if you can see, the temporary password is already given as it's auto generated from Microsoft, and we can also create a specific temporary password here. All right, and account enabled, we want to keep it enabled, so we are good here. Let's hit, there is two options, review plus create or next properties. Let's go to next property. In the next property, it's asking to name the user one, and this user type will be member, right? Now this user will be a member, and you can also enter all these details related to job information, right? Hire date, department, employee ID, or office location. You can also add a manager here and also add the contact information in the user section, but these are not the required fields, right? You can add these fields later on. Parental control, I will not change any of this field except the location, right? Update the location here, which is United States, and hit next. Now this is also an important part of this tutorial that we can add group here, right? So I will add group here, which is very important, and that group is mobile device management group, right? The group we have created and added in mobile device management. Let's verify that. Let's go to it again here just for your understanding. Because if the user will be part of that group, then user will be able to register in Microsoft Intune. I will not show you about more groups or properties that depends upon your organization, that which group your organization have created. In the devices section, let's find enrollment. In automatic enrollment, we will verify here that which group is selected, and we will add this user into this group, WIP MDM, right? So let's find this group, WIP MDM, because we are registering this user for Intune, right? That's great. In add role section, I don't want to assign any other role to this user except a simple member. So this user will be a member. Hit next. Let's verify all these requirement, and we are good here. Hit create. User creation is in progress. So let's go ahead for assigning a license to this specific Intune user which we are going to onboard. So good, let's go to licenses section. In the licenses section, no license is found for this user yet. So let's go to assignment, and we require here enterprise mobility plus security T3 that will include Intune plan 1 here, right? So let hit save. So now we have successfully assigned the license to user 1. We have successfully created user 1, and also we have successfully added user 1 to WIP MDM group, this group, right? If any user needs to be registered on Microsoft Intune, that should be the part of this group, right? Or that should be selected here all, so that you can include all user in the sum. If you want to select some user, that user should be part of mobile device management group. We can create groups later on according to our policies and add those groups to those policies assignment, and we can make this user a part of those specific groups. So that conclude the video about user creation and assigning Intune license and making sure user is the part of mobile device management group. Now we are ready to onboard this user. Thank you for staying with me in this simple tutorial. Keep watching, keep sharing. Take care. Bye.